By age 65, over 1 in 3 adults experience major night vision problems. But what if I told you this isn't just aging? It's something far more preventable. Scientists now believe the foods you eat 60 minutes before bed can dramatically affect how your eyes recover while you sleep. Here's the hidden truth few people know. Your eyes don't only get strained during the day. In fact, most of the damage occurs at night while you're resting. Doctors call it nighttime eye damage. When darkness falls, your eyes work harder to adapt, oxygen levels drop, and tiny repair processes inside your retinas can slow down or even shut off. Over time, this nightly stress can speed up vision decline. Now, ask yourself, if this is true, why isn't it front-page news? Why aren't you being told that something as simple as what you eat before bed could make all the difference? The uncomfortable answer is profit. If you're losing your vision, you're worth more to pharmaceutical companies, more eye drops, more surgeries, more prescriptions. But the foods we're about to reveal cost pennies compared to lifelong treatments. And they don't want that message getting out. So today, we're lifting the curtain. I'll be counting down the 7 fruits you should eat before bedtime to give your eyes a fighting chance. And I'll also share 5 special rules that make these fruits even more powerful. Hi, this is Marcus from Human Body Wellness, where we are dedicated to providing you with informative and educational content on healthy foods, drinks, and eating habits. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and discoveries that can help you live a healthier, more vibrant life. But first, I'd love to know, what changes have you noticed in your own eyesight? Drop your age and location in the comments. Let's see how far this message of natural eye health can reach. Number 7, kiwi, golden. Starting our list at number 7 is the golden kiwi. This small, golden-fleshed fruit is a powerhouse for your eyes. Unlike the regular green variety, golden kiwis are especially rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 pigments that act like natural sunglasses for your retinas. They help filter harmful blue light and reduce oxidative stress that builds up overnight. But here's the secret most people miss. Golden kiwis are also a natural source of serotonin, the sleep-supporting chemical that helps your body ease into deeper rest. And when your sleep quality improves, so does your eye repair. That's why this fruit works best when eaten about an hour before bed. For best results, eat 2 golden kiwis, skin included if you can tolerate it. The skin contains extra fiber and antioxidants that boost absorption. If the texture bothers you, try slicing them thin and chilling them slightly to make the skin more palatable. Coming up next, a juicy summer favorite that hydrates your eyes in a way most people have never considered. Number 6, watermelon. At number 6, we have watermelon, a fruit that does far more than cool you down on a hot day. Watermelon is one of the most hydrating foods you can eat, and hydration is critical for your eyes at night. When your eyes dry out, your cornea and lens become more vulnerable to microscopic damage in the dark. But that's just the beginning. Watermelon is rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the delicate blood vessels behind your retina. Some studies suggest lycopene even improves choroidal blood flow, which keeps oxygen and nutrients moving where your eyes need them most. Here's the trick. Avoid sprinkling salt on your watermelon. Salt cancels out its hydration benefits. And don't stop at the red flesh. The lighter, almost white part near the rind is packed with extra antioxidants. Slice down close to the rind and eat those pale edges to maximize the eye protective power. Next, we'll reveal a berry that actually sharpens your night vision, and it's been used for this purpose for centuries. Number 5, black currants. At number 5, we find the often overlooked black currant. These dark, tangy berries are loaded with anthocyanins, the purple pigments known for strengthening the tiny capillaries in your eyes. But their real claim to fame is improving dark adaptation, or your ability to see in low light. During World War II, pilots were given black currant jam before night missions because it helped their eyes adjust more quickly to darkness. Modern research backs this up, showing anthocyanins can actually enhance the function of rod cells in your retinas, the very cells responsible for night vision. To get the benefits, enjoy a small handful of fresh or dried black currants about an hour before bed. If fresh berries aren't available, a high-quality black currant powder mixed with warm water is an excellent alternative. One important tip though, avoid pairing them with citrus fruits at night, since the acidity may interfere with their absorption. Coming up, a sweeter berry that many already love, but with one surprising bedtime twist. Number 4, blueberries. At number 4, we have blueberries, one of the most beloved superfoods in the world. But when it comes to your eyes, not all blueberries are created equal. Wild blueberries contain nearly twice the antioxidants of cultivated varieties, making them especially powerful at protecting your retinal cells from nighttime stress. These little gems are rich in anthocyanins, just like black currants, but they also contain a lesser-known compound called pterostilbene. Think of it as a cousin to resveratrol, famous for supporting brain and eye health by fighting oxidative damage. Here's a key tip. Don't pair blueberries with dairy at night. Dairy proteins can bind to their antioxidants and reduce absorption. Instead, eat them plain or add them to a smoothie with almond or oat milk. And for an extra boost, try freezing and thawing them. That process can actually make the antioxidants more bioavailable to your body. Next, we'll explore a striking tropical fruit with bright red flesh that can boost oxygen delivery to your eyes overnight. Number 3, dragon fruit. At number 3, we have dragon fruit, specifically the variety with bright red flesh. This exotic fruit doesn't just look striking. It's rich in compounds that support oxygen flow to your eyes while you sleep. Dragon fruit contains natural betaines that help your body produce nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your retinas during the night, when they need it most. Think of it as a gentle way to recharge your eye cells while you rest. Here's how to use it. Scoop out half a red-fleshed dragon fruit about an hour before bed. Be sure to eat the crunchy black seeds too. They're loaded with beneficial fatty acids that further support eye health. If you find the taste mild, squeeze just a touch of lime for flavor, but avoid adding sugar. Coming up next, a tiny red berry treasured for centuries in Asia, especially for protecting the most delicate part of your eyes. Number 2, goji berries. At number 2, we have goji berries, often called the eyesight berry in traditional Chinese medicine. These tiny red berries are one of the richest sources of zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that concentrates in your macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. Protecting the macula means protecting your ability to read, recognize faces, and see clearly at night. Goji berries also supply antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress on your retinal cells while you sleep. But here's an important tip: don't boil them. High heat destroys much of their zeaxanthin. Instead, soak a small handful in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. This makes them softer, easier to chew, and more digestible. For an added boost, pair them with a small square of dark chocolate. The healthy fats in cocoa help your body absorb the eye-protecting carotenoids more efficiently. Next, we'll reveal the number 1 bedtime fruit for eye health. And it might surprise you. Number 1, papaya. And at number 1, we have papaya, a fruit that often gets overlooked but may be the most powerful ally for your eyes at night. Papaya is rich in papain, an enzyme that helps prevent glycation, a process where sugars damage the proteins in your eyes. Over time, glycation contributes to cloudy lenses and age-related vision decline. Eating papaya regularly can help slow this process and keep your vision clearer. Papaya also delivers a generous supply of vitamin C and carotenoids, creating a protective shield against oxidative stress while you sleep. To get the best results, eat about 1 cup of ripe papaya at room temperature an hour before bed. Avoid refrigerating it, as cold temperatures can reduce its enzyme activity. And don't mix it with dairy. Milk proteins may interfere with absorption. With papaya, you're not just feeding your body, you're giving your eyes the tools to repair themselves overnight. 5 fruit rules for absorption and timing. Now that we've covered the 7 powerful bedtime fruits, it's time to unlock their full potential. Think of these as your 5 golden rules, simple adjustments that can dramatically increase how well your eyes absorb and use the nutrients from these foods. Rule number 1, eat 60 to 90 minutes before bed. This timing is crucial. It gives your digestive system enough time to break down the fruits and release their protective compounds right as your body enters its deepest repair mode during sleep. Rule number 2, keep your fruits at room temperature. Cold fruit from the fridge may feel refreshing, but chilling reduces enzyme activity and can slow absorption. For maximum benefit, let your fruits sit out until they reach room temperature. Rule number 3, wash gently, don't over-clean. A light rinse is all you need. Scrubbing or peeling too aggressively can strip away valuable antioxidants found just beneath the skin of many fruits, especially kiwis and papayas. Rule number 4, pair with healthy fats. Compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin are fat-soluble, meaning your body absorbs them better when paired with a small amount of healthy fat. A few almonds, a teaspoon of olive oil, or a piece of dark chocolate can make a big difference. Rule number 5, avoid calcium-rich foods within 90 minutes. Dairy products like milk or yogurt can interfere with the absorption of carotenoids and certain antioxidants. If you enjoy dairy, save it for earlier in the day and keep your nighttime routine fruit-focused. Follow these 5 rules consistently, and you'll be giving your eyes the very best chance to repair and strengthen themselves every single night. So, what does all this mean for you? It means clearer nights, safer drives, and being able to look into the eyes of your children and grandchildren without that frustrating blur. Imagine seeing their faces in full detail again, even in the soft evening light. That's the power of giving your eyes the right tools before bedtime. Remember, vision loss doesn't have to be inevitable. By choosing the right fruits, following the 5 rules, and staying consistent, you can support your eyes naturally, night after night. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these bedtime fruits are you most excited to try first? And what changes have you noticed in your night vision over the years? Share your answers in the comments, because your story might inspire someone else. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Until next time, take care, and here's to seeing the world more clearly.